it's me. I was wondering if you can like that video you have for me and subscribe to the channel. Huh? If you ain't already done so, it really helps me out. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give it another reaction. That one are different. And the only reason why it's different because since we started this reaction channel not even a year ago, couple months ago, well, I don't know, I can't remember. Adele hasn't dropped a song. Adele dropped a song now, Easy on Me, so I'm here with it. Easy on Me. Adele, I'm a G, you don't know. You like the Jamaicans vibe too. You don't know. Me like it to my girl. But Adele, Jamaicans say Adele. Adele, oh you get so much hurt, Adele. Oh every man hurt, Adele, come on me. Adele, come on me. In the name of Adele, come on me. Me not hurt you. If you come on me, I promise you will never sing one more sad song. Saying that still, I don't know if that one is sad. So let's go find out. Let's find out, Adele. Score. Somebody ever outside Adele house. Somebody ever outside Adele house. What there? Hey, you see that something she have in her hand? Back in the days in Jamaica, they used to call it a grip. They used to call it a grip. Not a suitcase, you know, a grip. Walk out. Look good, mama. Black and white video.
Oh, hi, darling. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, all good. All done. Everything's packed. I'm just going to get on the road now. About to leave. Well, hopefully just a couple of hours. But if I'm late, go ahead and start without me. All good. I mean, I will probably have bad signal. I said I probably won't have good signal. Yes, I can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me? Oh, for God's sake.
Yo, Adele is so fucking down to earth, dog. Adele accent, where she come from? South London, right? Think what? Croydon side she come from, right? Adele accent, like it's different from how she sing. Like, you see her until she open her mouth, you say, shit, that is Adele. Adele, me go call you. Me go call you Adele for that video, yeah. Until she open her mouth, you say, Ross, I eat a lot. And then that's different, bro. Yo, me love her vibes, dog. Yo, she wanna win, brother. She down to earth. Talented girl. Talented. Very talented woman. Yeah. Yo, back in the day, shit, this is not cassette. If on too young for own a cassette, yeah. Cassette back in the days thing. Sold. Oh, she said her house. On the road.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me in. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child. Didn't get the chance to feel the
This shit is gonna make me cry, bro. Like, no, this song is gonna make me cry, then. No joke. You always do this shit, dog. My G, you always do this. Yes, you me attack Adele. You always do this shit. You always do it. This shit is gonna make me cry. Like, bro. let me try one out.
There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. Had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. I had good intentions and the highest hopes, but I know right now that probably doesn't even show. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child. I didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
You think I was gonna cry? I wasn't crying. It was just it's a bit windy in this room. It's a bit windy, you know. It's the window is not open, but it's still windy. You know what I mean? So it just got a bit tear in the eye. You know what I mean? But this is what Adele do to you, dog. Like even the toughest of gangster, listen to Adele's song. Don't listen to them so-called gangsters that say they don't listen to Adele's song sometime when they are chill with them girl or whatever them a do. Or if them girl walk out of God with a different man. Not saying my dude. Not saying that. But gangster listen to Adele too. You understand? Gangster listen to Adele too. So when gangster listen to Adele and hear them thing, yeah, gangster go kind of, you know. But we're not really too ball still. Just make a couple drop, but we're not really too ball still. You see me? But Adele never disappoint her fans them. Saying that she does because she hardly drop song, but when she drop, it not disappoint. Adele, yeah, I'm a G, big up yourself, mama. You see me? But there with a man like me, and you never sing one more sad song. But we wash, cook and clean for you, Adele. Mm-hmm. You know if you do none of that, mama. You see me? Just go and train your voice. If you sing some happy song, because you have a happy man. Guys, this is how we're gonna do it. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to tell a friend that we are here. And then pick up yourself, mama. Outside! The girl them outside.